Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna bake pizza. So let's get started. For the first ingredient we'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 1 tablespoon olive oil and 2 tablespoons sugar. And the ingredients will be in the description box down below. Now in a medium-sized bowl, let's pour the warm water, add the yeast and salt and mix until dissolves. Now add your sugar and mix it like that. Now add the olive oil and mix until combines. Now let's add the flour. I'm gonna add half of it right now and mix with your hands. Now add a little bit more and mix. Now add the rest of the flour and mix very well. Here our dough is ready. It must be soft and a bit sticky dough. Let me knead it a little bit just in the air and place it back in the bowl. And let me grease my hands there and apply it all over the dough just the way you're watching in the video. And cover the dough with a plastic wrapper and keep it in a warm place until it rises. It might take 1 to 2 hours. And for the second ingredient we'll need 200 gram shredded mozzarella cheese, 100 gram minced beef, 1 large onion which was cube sliced, some black olives, 2 cube sliced bell pepper, and lastly 2 cube sliced tomatoes. Back to ingredient number 1, which was dough and has rised very well. Let's open its surface and remove its sides, and be careful, we don't want to mess with its perfect round shape. And sprinkle some flour on the table and remove the dough on a floured surface and start flattening it using our fingers. You can sprinkle flour if needed. Just keep flattening it just the way you're watching in the video. Press it starting from top, then all around it, making it round. Here we are gonna need a round tray greased with butter or oil. Then place the dough on the tray like that and start flattening it again on the tray until it's all over the base of the tray. And now it's time to fill its surface. First, apply some ketchup on the dough, or you can use pizza sauce too. But here I'm using ketchup. Now using a spoon, let's spread it all over the dough like that. While spreading ketchup on a flattened dough will be easier if you use a spoon. So for this part, I recommend a spoon. Now after that, let's add half of our cube sliced bell pepper all over the dough. After that, add half of the cube sliced onion. There we go. Now add half of cube sliced tomatoes. There. Now cover their surface with 50 gram of mozzarella cheese. There we go. Now it's time to add the minced beef. Almost there. And there we go. Now add the rest of the chopped bell pepper. There we go. Now add the black olives all over it. Now add the rest of the cube sliced tomatoes. Now lastly cover it with the rest of the mozzarella cheese. Now we need to keep it in the oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Until our pizza bakes, let's watch some healthy tips. And the video will be continued soon. Mint is a calming herb that people have used for thousands of years to help soothe an upset stomach or indigestion. It is best to add them raw or at the end of the cooking process. This helps them maintain their delicate flavor and texture. Mint contains menthol. This is an aromatic decongestant that might help to break up phlegm and mucus, making it easier to expel. And voila, our pizza has baked and is looking so delicious. So let's try it. First, let me slice it using a pizza cutter. Almost there. There we go. Now let me remove a slice. Here it is. As you can see, it has completely baked and is looking so yummy. You really have to try it. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when I post my new video, which is going to be sweet coconut bowls. So please subscribe and ring the bell. I'm sure you'll be notified when I post my new video. Now bye and see you in my next video.